Let's unbox Apple Watch Series 10, the 46mm. Let's go. Comes with the two boxes. The strap. Sa strap, you have two options, like many options, like 3 options: solo, braided, and then the loop, and the sports band, like that. So open. The main character will be the watch itself. So it is sealed off. Wow, mashallah. See, the newest size is 46mm. See, 46mm. Oops, it might be fall down. And then the charger, new ilang charger cord, like braided design. Before, like matte, karon ano na siya, braided. So that's all. Bye.